how to add background music in Snapchat video. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first step is you need to open up your Snapchat application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface from where you can create a Snapchat video and also take a snap photos. So here in the right upper section, you can see there are various options. So if you are looking for adding background music while creating a Snapchat video, then the simple thing you have to do is you have to tap on the music option at the third last option. And by tapping over there, you'll be opened up with the various options of music. Here are the list of features music. If you have added certain music to favorite, then you can switch to my favorite option. And here you'll be able to see the music. And you can also switch to my sounds, and the sound on your device will be available over here. You can also enter that. Further, if you are looking for trending song, you can switch to trending, and all the trending music will be available over here. You can use that. And after selecting, you can go back and create a Snapchat video. So this is how you add background music in Snapchat video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.